Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. This is a high-performance auto robot built around a PCB-based chassis for a lightweight and integrated design. It features a micro gear motor with RC differential servo steering and multiple sensors for precise control. This project ranked second in the overall evaluation, fully demonstrating its outstanding engineering design, iterative capabilities, and competitive strength. The hardware was designed in EasyEDA with manufacturability and system integration as key goals. This open-source project is available on OSHWLab. OSHWLab Stars is upgraded. Build, share, and win from an $85,000 prize pool.